Hi guys, welcome to my channel on Exante tips, tricks and hacks. Look at this, I made these gorgeous mini cakes from a shake. Can you believe that? These are clear step-by-step instructions to show you how I did this wonder. So preheat your oven to 180 degrees. You can use any bowl, you can use any shake. You don't need a special mixing bowl or any particular shake. Add the contents of the shake to the bowl, add half a teaspoon of baking soda or bicarbonate. Mix. This bit's really important. Mix really well, otherwise if it's not homogeneous you get air gaps. Add 1 egg white. This is really important. Do not add the egg yolk. If you're on the Exante diet you cannot afford the calories of an egg yolk, okay? And don't throw it away. Give it to the dog or the cat or something like that. Give it a good old stir. You don't need a whisk or anything like that. Add some coconut milk, just enough just to give you the right consistency of a cake mixture. Now I've added some poppy seeds because I think they're really nice, just a tiny amount, and I'm just mixing it really well. To your muffin mold or cake mold, whatever it is, add a tiny spritz of fry light and then just add the cake mixture into each gap. Put in the oven for, well, for me it was for 10 minutes, but it depends on the size, and voila. They are absolutely gorgeous. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. I've got loads more tips, tricks and pack hacks and recipes for the Exante diet, and don't forget to use my discount code in the description below. And also share, guys, really important. Share this video with people who you know will want to see this recipe, and also leave me a comment, give me any ideas on other recipes, and also let me know what you think, and don't forget to hit that like button. God bless. Bye.